NEET. Exam duration is 180 minutes. It contains a total of 180 questions. It's a MCQ-based exam, in which physics and chemistry contains 45 question each, and 90 question of biology. Both 11th and 12th class have equal weightage. One should attempt biology first, then chemistry, and at last physics in order to have a upper hand on the exam. After completing one subject, like after biology fill bio part, then solve chem and fill chem in OMR sheet, then physics. Don't leave it for end, as you tend to make more mistakes if you don't have much time at end. Also, it will be waste if you have solved the question but couldn't fill the OMR because time limit has reached. Also, it is advisable not to fill it with each question, as it is time consuming and you might not be able to complete your exam. You can increase your speed of filling OMR by seeing like 5 answers in order and speaking them to yourself while filling, so that for every single question you don't have to go back looking at the question paper. Like starting with bio from question number 91 to 95, the answers are A, B, C, C, D. Then you see these and speak them to yourself till you have filled all the 5 answers in OMR, and repeat this procedure for every subject. Subject-wise time limit along with OMR filling: biology 30 to 35 minutes, chemistry 50 minutes, physics 70 minutes. Remaining time, try all the questions you couldn't attempt and check if you have filled all the questions that you attempted. Attempt each subject in 3 rounds. First round. Attempt all the questions which are easy and can be solved with mental calculation and do not require much efforts. Many questions will fall in this category. Circle the questions left. Second round. Attempt the remaining questions. Give some time to each question, but don't waste all your time on one question, and fill the OMR and think about the questions that you were not able to attempt. If you find any answer while thinking, solve the question and fill in OMR. Tick the question that you have attempted. Third round. This will be your final round, and you have to do it after doing the first 2 rounds of each subject. Cross the questions you were not able to attempt. Do the first 2 rounds of bio, then chem, then physics, and then third round of biochem and physics. During first round you might make mistakes in reading the questions, so do things fast but read the question properly. During third round you might want to take risks and fill the OMR just with guessing. Try to avoid that. We can have a video about how you can make guesses that will help you increase some marks, which may decide will you get the college or not. Don't forget to check that you have filled all the attempted questions in OMR in proper way or not. Match the crosses with the OMR to check you have not filled any unattempted question by mistake. You can't do anything if it has happened, but this will help you to predict your result more accurately when you match your paper with answer keys. We will also make a video of documents you need on the day of exam, and also the things you have to do before starting the exam.